At Bloor Dental Clinic, we're putting your best smile forward. We're serving Toronto since 1969. With our knowledgeable staff, you'll get confidence through experience. We're providing comprehensive dental care for implants, crowns, bridges, root canal treatment, teeth whitening, complete and partial dentures, and oral surgery. We also provide general dentistry work, such as dental checkups, cleanings, and more. We welcome new patients and have an emergency service. We want to ensure the health and well-being of your teeth by providing you with the best dental services possible. We're a member of the Ontario Dental Association. Come visit us at 844 Bathurst Street or give us a call at 416-535-2111 for an appointment. We look forward to helping you achieve a healthy, sparkling smile.